developing the bear in South China Sea, says Marcos Jr. Today is 3/20/2024 for 21 p.m. From Haslinda Amin, Bloomberg News. So, kinig-kinig lang, no? Kasi napakarami dyan, bigla na lang sumusugot, no? So, I hope ay nagbabasa kayo at nakikinig din sa vlog ko para meron kayong guide, no? Kasi delikado talaga siya eh. Okay? So, ano ba? Yun.
That he does not want to poke the bear. So you come away thinking he wants to bring down the temperature. Take a listen to what he had to say.
The threat has grown. And since the threat has grown, we must.
The temperature, security, because Philippines wants to provoke China. It is about national security, national sovereignty. So he has to make the moves. The moves have been more visible. The Philippines has been more vocal intentionally. It is about his people, he says. But you know what? He says in the end, he does not want war. He wants peace. He wants relations to go back to an even keel. His words. And he also said that he does not want to poke the bear. So you come away, and he also said that he does not want to poke the bear. So keel. His words. And he also said that he does not want to poke the bear. So you come away thinking he wants to bring down the temperature. Take a listen to what he had to say.
The threat is